Hello, lovely people. My name is Ezekiel. Please, if you are new here, please don't hesitate to subscribe, share, and also like and share this video to your family, friends, loved ones, and people that you know. Okay, so today I've discovered a new, beneficial app, or let's say, an app. Now you can easily make money with it. With your phone online, and it's very, very flexible and simple. So please pay attention and let's proceed. So the app or the company is Neon. Yeah. So for me to prove to you that what I'm about to teach you guys is legit, let's search over here whether we will find it or it's a scam. So so as you can see, Neon is a specialist independent power producer with a long-term vision that translates into a strategy to produce renewable competitive price energy. So if you go through, if you get time, you can go through and you see that it's a company in French, which is France, and they are into solar panels and stuff. Yeah. So they generate their electricity from solar panels, and they've set an agenda for themselves that within I mean within some couple of years, that's 2025, yeah, they're expecting to upgrade their system to 10. I mean yeah, it's over here, you can check for it. So this is all about Neon. And I'm going to show you guys how to make money with it. Yeah, now they are in Ghana. So this is it. You see, our total capacity is in operation and under construction is currently over 5.4 GW, and we are aiming for more than 10 by 2025. Yeah, so that's their agenda. And you know something, this campaign, they've pumped money into the system. First they were in France, and also they are in other 16 countries here, which African countries are part and all that, and now they are in Ghana. And they've pumped money into the system to the extent that you can purchase for their panels, and also you can make money with their app or their link. So first of all, I will show you guys how to make money with it, even if you don't have money to purchase for their solar panels and all that. So I have created an account. Yeah, one of my friends sent the link to me, and I created an account, and indeed, Charlie, I've made a lot of money. Let's say quite a lot, of course. I joined, let's say 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks, and those 3 weeks I've made a quite sum of money, and I think it's beneficial. So that's why I want you guys to also have a hint about it, so that if you want to join, you join in all that. So not wasting my time, let me log into my account. So new app Ghana, log in, and let's see something. Okay, so I've already logged in. Yeah, I've already created an account. That's one, like login. So before you create an account, the link, I'll share the link at the description bottom. Then you just tap on it, then you create your account. Before you create an account with Neon, first of all, they'll ask of your number. The number, you ignore the first zero. Yeah, and plus 233, meaning they are now in Ghana, and that's why you have plus 233. So this is my number, and there is it. And if you just put in your number and your password, then you confirm your password. If you are creating a new account, then you just tap on create account, and a menu will come like this. Then you, like, they ask you to log in, so you just input the same number with the same password, then you click on login, then it will open for you. So when it opens, this is how the whole thing is. I mean, this is how the thing looks like. Neon. You have, I mean, yeah. So this, as you can see, this is my balance. And before you create a new account, if you're a new, user, yeah, Neon, they deal with PVs, yeah. So if you're a new user, you'll be a PV0. So as you can check this place, I've upgraded. That's why I'm in PV1, yeah. But if you just open a new account or create a new account, yeah, you're a PV0, and they will give you an amount of, or automatically you receive an amount of 20 cedis, 20 cedis over here. And this amount, it is not, withdrawable. You can't withdraw unless you reach a total amount of 80 cedis. That's 80 Ghana cedis. That's when you can withdraw your money. So we have a daily income for the PV0 users. So the daily income, if you want to claim it, you will just come to electricity income. As I said earlier, it is solar energy and stuff. So you come to electricity income, then you click on start working. And if you click on start working, they will alert you that the amount has reached your wallet, your wallet balance. Then you come here, then you check, then you see that it will be 21 over here, because at first, if you create a new account as a PV0, you have 20 cedis. Then if you click on electricity income, then each day you're getting 1 cedi, each day. And that 1 cedi each day, if you reach an amount of 80 cedis, that's when you can withdraw. And some may ask, can you, will you withdraw it through your bank account, your more money, your PayPal and all that? So after reaching this place, you come to bank, and that's my bank. Then those that they want to withdraw through their Momo, as you can see, this is my number, mobile number, and the name that will appear. So you click on create Momo account, then you enter your number and the name that it will appear. You enter it, then you click on create account, then it's open for you. Then it will be like this. So anytime you want to withdraw money, it will just hit your accounts in 24 hours, and it's very, very cool. Okay, so notwithstanding, let's proceed. Okay, so after you've created your account and all that, I want to show you guys me joining Neoen, the benefits that or the income that I've received. Yeah, and that's my record. So let's go to my records. As you can see, one of my friends joined. He has recharged. I'll explain that later. And every day I've been receiving 4 cedis. You may ask, why do I receive 4 cedis? Because I said earlier that every day I'll be receiving 1 cedi. When I click on start working, yeah, I'll be receiving 1 cedi. But why is that every day I receive 4 cedis as electricity income? I'll explain that to you. And also quiz the 5 cedis. That one too. It's something else. I'll also explain that to you. So this is the one that I've made since I joined Neoen. This is what I've withdrawn and all that. So as you can see, so let's go to my withdrawal records. When I joined Neoen, the amount of money that I've withdrawn for the past 2 to 3 weeks. So this is it. You see, so when I joined Neoen, you can check the date over here. The very first day I joined, some couple of days, I withdrew an amount of 21 cedis and 17 cedis, 42 cedis, 72 cedis, and 41 cedis. And you see, this is legit because I've been showing you guys proof of what I've been receiving since I joined Neoen. And you see, in Neoen, you have something like, if you want to withdraw your money, you come to this place that we have select bank. The select bank, because you've created your Momo account that I taught you guys earlier, you just click on your number, then you put the amount of money that you want to withdraw and all that. You just input, and today I'm not withdrawing money because I want to make more before I withdraw. Then you click on send. Then if you click on send, they ask you to click on or enter your password, the password that you use to create the account. You just input that password, and yeah, ready to go. Okay, so now I want to explain to you guys. As I said, every day you will be receiving 1 cedi, but once that when I went to my records, you see me receiving 4 cedis a day and all that. So this is what you want to do if you want to upgrade, if you want to get higher income. Yeah, if you know that maybe the ones that you are receiving a day is not enough, so you want to upgrade to a certain point that you receive a higher income. This is what you do. You come to this place, recharge, and the recharge, you see, we have from 120. It start from 120 to 15,000 and other. So you click on recharge, then you confirm. Then if you confirm, then it will open like this. If you are using MTN, Momo, or Vodafone, I'm using MTN, so click on MTN and click on confirm. So this is what will appear. You'll be sending money to the account, and they give you a period of 5 minutes. So this is what you do. You copy the reference and write down the number, the account number that you'll be sending. You write them down, and also you just put this in your head. The amount is 120 cedis. So after that, you come to your home, your phone, then you just type *170 as you are sending money. As you are sending money to someone. So you go to transfer money, then Momo user, then the amount that you wrote it down or jot it down, you type the number over here, and after that you click send. And also they'll ask you for a reference number, then the reference number that you copied, you paste it over there. And also the amount is 120 cedis, then you just input 120 cedis and you receive. So if you send it, then you just screenshot what you sent, and when you screenshot it, you come to this place. So you just tap on it, then you tap on so when you tap on this place, you click on this place, this Neoen WhatsApp. It's open to the general manager. Then you send a screenshot of your payments, your recharging, to mean that you just recharged this amount. And after that, within some few time, or let's say a few hours or even minutes, a few minutes, you see the money that you recharged or you sent, it will reflect over here. And when it reflects, this is what you do. You come to this place. You see, this is PV2, but at first it was PV1. I've just upgraded PV1 last week or last 2 weeks. Yeah. So PV1, we have a rent price of 40 cedis, and the deposit balance is 100 cedis. So meaning the 20 cedi that they dashed you or they gave it to you, when you recharge 120, it will be 140. And PV1, the rent price is 40 cedis. So use that 40 please, sorry, the English not coming. So use that 40 cedis to rent the price or the generator, and then it will leave it 100 cedis. Then the 100 cedis, that will be your balance deposit. And this is where, if this money is in your account, that 100 cedis is in the account. When you tap on generate electricity income, every day you'll be getting an amount of 4 cedis because you've upgraded the system to PV1. And in this case, if you want to withdraw the money,
it is 20 cedis and above. So let's say now you've rent your generator 40 cedis and it was left with 100 cedis over here. This PV2, but PV1 that I just did, that's why it is, I mean, it just is just, I mean, no more existing because I've upgraded it. So you'll be left with 100 cedis over here, and this 100 cedis